I'm going now about Miss I want him so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I subscribe it. I'm a me. And do you know I am Miss Bomb? Facebook so I didn't know I am Miss Bomb. Like it, and share my videos. And my better say. And then your 5 stories I am a First one, a baroni, any medical, and since I feel and so second, a Shatawale, any militant, or say Wasaki or Murphy Shatter movement, and also Miss Bomb made it ever bremo. A shan music, and so then the ex-manager Steven Mensah, or more so, and some made it ever bremo. I think so, and some a course so. Now watching I are who pay ye a landlord or con tenants yaya and also made bebremo. Black American and so also police for a kunya yaya. Miss Bomb made bebremo. Ye try home. I'm finding ya bremo. Beef, and no baroni, and sisters, yeah, with the rhymes, beef bebre, abba. Nah, hey, and since I told just I say, sister, fear, the all children beef for the man or a medical. Now, no, a medical, a bar out, a between say, no, a phone. Or your cops. And they am the dusty. I interview medical now be son and be say anya bia copsy mistakenly now kan na say one kasa na now feel say wo catch no baroni say cops say I o feel it no feel no say no cops na on apology bia on apologize and then apologize say ochina cops it's cops no it's cops. And semi medical and I bet teacher no. Do
you label their cops?
Next question.
No. No.
Next question.
No. With this issue, it can't. There can never be a next question.
There should.
No. No medical. You know if you say next question, I'm very sure a lot of people will be disappointed in you because I thought this would be a great platform for you to explain, or if you have to apologize or retract it, then you do that. But for you to say next question, I find it a bit disappointing.
You shouldn't.
Why shouldn't I?
Only next question.
No, medical. You're born of a woman. You have sisters. You have a wife. If you call a female or you label her a corpse, and better still would find no proper explanation for it.
I know go just did there and then just say something. You get me? I know go just did there. There's no smoke without fire. Obviously, I said what I said because I was in my feelings. You get me? I don't get any apology. I don't get anything talk. I go like Moku. Move on.
Yeah, to also was Shatawale and the militants, and then Shatawale said, on the militants, no, or money chaka a view. Were you already? Omo ka shatter movement ho bio. When you want to cry by January name, I say oh no money dwuma bia di sense omo ye work. Omo san say ungrateful. Omo ye work me chese ase no fun kakra. Omo chiro nyom papa bi asa. And I feel so omo ye ungrateful because to say omo mu bi e keka say ase ono mo bo show compound ti omo ka. So what is that? Momo mi sika kakra me mod di o me nsem no mo bo show for quarantine mam says kan. Sa e na Shatawale ono or some kind of militants are on it, Omone, Shatawale, and a boss anyway.
In a cordial cry, in a cordial cry, Jim, I'm good at it. Mohamed Ali, boom, Macho Man, one cheat at it.
Hey, Sally, oh, that's true. I on it, militants, no, and a boss, and you know, me and Shatawale is 70 years.
Make cry now, make you no get money. Make somebody they can't give you pressure. You will see the way your heart will come. Don't let us think like we are myopic, we are short-sighted, like we can't see far. My dream is say me too if I get money, make I do something for my fans. Make I give something to my fans. Make I support my fans. Make I do this. See this Tuesday market at the think of. And they say, no, coronavirus come. Make I do. And some people, they don't. You see, make I tell you, you see, at the side of Natalie, Joint 77, I sacked them. I shot it before January. Or in the middle of January or something. Long time. That's why I give them a pass and they go. Long time. But they did the group pages inside. Then they put some nonsense songs inside like it me I write for them. And I don't want that dent to be on me. I don't want that image. Because the kind of things that they tell them say, hey, at the self, you sha. Joint, you sha. Hey, Natalie, you sha. Captain, you sha. Make you people do song. Make the fans feel proud of you. At least, people go get some of the fans. Make them to support your music. They need to go get money for top. Boys say they know they understand. At the self, they feel gang up. Then you are the self where you know they feel right there. You feel gang up. If they play beat for you, where you know they feel enter. They feel gang up with Joint 77, Natalie, Captain. Every time say one done they from fool you people. You see that stupid life way some people can show me some time ago way. I know mine. That why I mean somebody tells you somebody even get talent. But they see the person like take your talent, Charlie. Because somebody get talent where you no get sense. Take your talent. At the self, it the gang, the militants. They start going interview. They do them a song. They go do some song. Mandela. As if they did the way apartheid come for South Africa. They go do some Mandela. It all be at the self manipulation. Charlie, he born. At the self, you defeat that captain say you born. You born. Cause if you pray, me are born. And if you be man, don't come live. If you be man, and they tell you don't come live. Come they do like you won't talk big boy. Because if I see you for road, I will beat you. Because the things I do for you, your mother, your father said no, they do for you. Don't come live. They can't do like you won't come live.
After a young brother sister, it's Sean and Susway. It's Sean, yeah, sister, it's Sean, or Bonyoma, or Bo. I sister Sean, or no, and send the brain or the Abetija. Or say the ex-manager, yes, Stephen Mensah. And then you know, I can pan and toast and the ex-manager now or Sanso and boyfriend and can't call our way. Then they didn't see or didn't say we never to Janice say, oh my jai and Panachiano. And she said, on any manager and yansem, bebre, or so a tochano, verbally abuse, or from a brave or the ex-manager. And come, on the social media handles in Nadra. I was Stephen Mensah, and nay, Stephen Mensah said, this old man 120,000 Ghana cedis a year, sky 1.2 billion, and Sana when yan handles. And no, and a shan say, rapping, ministers cannot at the mouth, and to say, Empo, obey using me handles, Nedia, made a shan no, you free a show, the fire your baby. A shine after new life into was Sister Siano. Needing a cream, a shine one or Instagram. But me a follow no. Thank you. Ebusia for now watching mo yanka saying na yeti a rehoseme course a wolfan call a landlord beer or kun tenant ya na uti munsem na landlord na ashen da won fentu uti ma tenant na nya dan a wo tu akwa aka ne wardrobe ene ne television landlord ne koye no wanya abotre wabo ne ho yie etimi akokono utie neighbors na explanation na omo kan mutumi say landlord ya sha ne kan bu awu bulletproof afetuo na say wabo ne ho say wo kwa akokun tenant en say ma ro ho esem ye ya ne maame aye landlord ne maame so yes we twa aboso afa lawyers kwa akobele papa ya onu ne ho Ghana police. We all want justice for Benjamin. An upcoming artist. Ye name de Nkobayama Ghana. Whoever he is, no, he has justice. He has justice. Racism, dia ekoso ewa kuchimemu ye. Racism ina eni mua ekoso o ye nuanom before any more for entem. Na ekoba se broni ye bone a senia abrochi me mo treat sa bone for no krampo na akono keke na ma bibini akoye said ye mo bi kra e ma which is very bad. Why share weekend and a wiki video a trend say a black man a police for from Minneapolis kune ya are we the one ya wodi ya ne say or forge check I bet me etimi aso nenza na ko police station a charge no de mo pebia nenso police ni timi de ne ko to dwem mi an ko ama na other police aso ne nan ebi mo so guard ekuni ya. We all seek justice for George Floyd. Black life matters. The fact that before nature say nipa nanso sene mo ye ananka mo ba obi a country ana mo so ye mo sa enka mo ntimi na obi a country. Black life matters. We all seek justice. Justice for George Floyd. Justice for Benjamin.